Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger recipe and grow a garden. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Prepare your soil by enriching it with compost and organic matter to ensure good drainage and nutrient availability. This foundational step is crucial for healthy plant growth, leading to delicious ingredients for your homemade burger. We'll cover everything from seed to sizzle. Now let's focus on growing key ingredients. Plant tomato seedlings after the last frost, providing stakes for support as they grow. Sow lettuce seeds directly into the soil, ensuring they have enough space to develop full heads. Onions can be grown from sets or seeds, needing consistent moisture. Don't forget herbs like basil and parsley, which are simple to cultivate in pots or directly in your garden bed. Once your garden bounty is ready, it's time to harvest. Gently twist ripe tomatoes from the vine, ensuring not to damage the plant. For lettuce, you can either snip outer leaves for continuous harvest or cut the entire head at the base. Dig up onions carefully to avoid bruising. After harvesting, wash all your fresh produce thoroughly to remove any soil or debris, preparing them for your delicious burger. Finally, let's assemble your garden fresh burger. Cook your burger patties on a grill or stovetop to your desired doneness, perhaps 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium. While the patties cook, lightly toast your burger buns. Then, layer your freshly harvested tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and sliced onions onto the patty. Add your favorite condiments and enjoy the incredible taste of a burger made with ingredients from your own garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.